Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, as you know that this is social media era and there are also internet cyber crimes happen in all societies. So today I am going to teach you how to report to Dubai police for cyber crime inside UAE, and this application is only for Dubai geographical area. And cybercrime includes like blackmailing, hacking, payment transfer, something like that. So I will show you that how you can complain to Dubai police if you have the solid proof. So stay with me, I will try to show you everything. We are on already dubaipolice.gov.ae. We will click here. We will go to services. So guys, when you click on services, there are a lot of services you are watching here. So our today priority is e-crime, and there are other useful applications we will discuss later. So today in my short video we'll click on e-crime. So guys, before you submit the application, you have to read everything in description, that this self-service allow the public to record a complaint regarding cybercrime, whether for their persons or for their properties. You can read it everything, and procedure and documentation. This is the important thing. You should have your valid passport and national ID, and you can read there are 4 points. It's written here, before you filing the complaint you have this solid proof with you, scanned copy, because you have to upload the evidence against a cyber crime. Guys, this service is totally free. You have to check here, beneficiary, this is for the public, and service channel is 7 days, internet app, everything if you complain. And there are other things, if you want to check you can check, it's not necessary. There are the contact details. So we will try to access this service. When we click on the access service, it's written, is the report submitted related to the internet or cyber crime, question mark, and on the brackets, email, social media, internet call, cyber crime, hacking, blackmail. So they are asking about our acknowledge about the report. We will click here yes. So when we click here yes, there is 4 options: complaint type, personal, private entity, local government entity, federal entity. So if it is personal, we will proceed to personal. There are 3 steps, 1 2 3 you have to go through. So guys, here you have to click on the your identity. Yes, you have to write your Emarat ID number and your address. I already filled by the junk data, and your email. And after that you have to click on the captcha icon, which is the chat icon, this one. We will do next. So guys, here you have to write your number, and you will receive a activation code. But right now I do not have the OTP, because I am not going to submit any complaint, because this is the sensitive, that's why. So I am teaching you just for the learning purpose. When you enter the OTP, you will go to the next page. The next page, you have to upload your documents that you have proof of the cyber crime. You have to upload the documents, and after that you have to submit this application, and you will receive an email, and you will see also the SMS about your report. So this service is free, you can do anytime, because on the social media there are a lot of complaints, because sometime you are giving money to any person, or sometime like they are hacking, or they are taking amount from your account, these things. So you should have this as proof. If you want to check your report, you have to follow up, because I am teaching this for the learning purpose. We will go back. The second option is you have to upload the documents, and the third is you have to submit. And similarly, you have to go to the first page, and there is written follow up. You have to click follow up, because over the social media there are sometimes some cyber crime complaints people are asking. So you have to do this procedure, but keep in mind that you should have the solid proof, because this is the sensitive matter. And if you want to check your application status, you have to type here your reference number. Whatever you have your reference number, you have to type here, and you can check the status of your application. Guys, this video I am making for the learning purpose. There are a lot of people they are asking, and I cannot submit this application, because this is a sensitive matter. This for the learning purpose. Thank you for watching my channel.